Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out this. It's the brand new Cosori Air Fryer. This thing's absolutely fantastic. Now most people, you've already had an air fryer. You know the benefits that you can heat things up and make it very crispy, very quickly, with 85% less oil. But we're going to give you a few tips on why this may be the air fryer for you. Now, first off, Cosori is a tremendous brand, and we all love them. They're extremely popular, and they're making some of the best high-quality air fryers. Now, I'm heating up some shrimp in a basket, some leftover shrimp, because you can't stick leftover shrimp in the microwave. It won't taste good. But putting it in here, these coconut shrimp are going to be fantastic. So, one of the things I like about this is the basket is machine washable, and you don't have to worry about the basket falling out. It's got an easy release trigger mechanism. On many of these, the basket falls out when you tip it, and you're gonna wind up burning yourself, but not Cosori. Also, like I said, the fact that it is machine washable, and you can see this basket isn't tipping out by any means. Now, one of the benefits of a new air fryer is the fact that they have so many more features and they're so fine-tuned compared to the past. You've got a preheat function. You can use it as a toaster oven eventually, so get rid of the toaster oven. You can use it as a convection oven. You can even use it as a normal oven to bake, say, an entire chicken. All right, folks. Now, earlier today, I made my bacon in the Cosori air fryer. Let's go ahead and see if we can get an overlay of the bacon. You can see what I like about it is it drains out all the fat in the bottom. You can pour out the fat, and that bacon comes out crisp. I like a crisp bacon. You can go ahead and do it for a few less minutes, make it not as crisp, but you're able to cook out a lot of the fat, like 90% of the fat, just by using an air fryer. And the way it's designed for that fat, it doesn't cook in its own fat, and that it makes it a lot healthier and a lot tastier. Unlike an oven, that never gets it quite crispy enough, or it's cooking in its own disgusting fat. The air circulation on these is fantastic, and this is a huge one. This has, the quarts on this, I think it's 4.8 quarts, but it is an enormous air fryer bottom, and that bottom area is where you can do all your cooking. You can see you can easily roast a chicken in there. You can do a bunch of tater tots, a bunch of French fries. There's so many different things. Amy cooked me hamburgers. We did Beyond Burgers. She did 4 patties, 1, 2, 3, 4, just last night. So a really fantastic product, folks. Stick around because we're going to show it up close and personal, but the Cosori air fryer is among the best. Go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. Now stick around for the up close portion of the video where you get to see what it looks like when this arrives on your doorstep with Amazon Prime. All right, folks, now you get to check out the product up close and personal as if you got it from Amazon. It says before you get started, make sure to take out any plastic out of here. There was some packing material. In fact, there still is, see? That's why they tell you to make sure to take it out. Take out any plastic or styrofoam that's in the bin before you cook. That would be weird. But Cosori's a top-end brand. Good thing they had this recommendation on here. Cosori's kind of one of those biggest brands on Amazon. They're doing so well and making such cool stuff. Also, it says, do not put oil in an air fryer. That's what this warning says. So, folks, do not put oil in your air fryer. That's just a smart solution. All right, so what's nice about this? First off, it's black, and that's going to wear well and show well. This is a dishwasher-safe basket, meaning you can throw the whole basket into your air fryer. And let me go ahead and move this out of the way so you can see it. I really like the design of this. I've had a lot of different air fryers, and Cosori is smart that you can remove the basket just like this. Some of the air fryers, when you tip them, the basket falls out. But this locks in, and that's just going to be a lot safer for you. I've burned myself so many times on the ones that the basket isn't attached. All right, so it's a big bin, and really you're looking for the surface area down here because that's where all your air frying is going to be. Easily put 4 pieces of bacon. We'll do some overlay of some of the bacon, I'm sure, at some point, because I'm going to cook some bacon in here. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice air fryer, this is a great solution. The cool thing about it is it doesn't get hot to the touch on the sides. It's a non-stick material, dishwasher safe, basket's easy to clean. When I make bacon, I just put the bacon in the bottom here, and then I pour it out into like a cup afterwards, a disposable cup, and then wipe it out with some paper towel and you're good to go. So Cosori making a great product. They've got the recipe book, of course, that comes with it. Japanese meatballs, nice. Garlic, lemon, chicken legs. Yeah, you can put a piece of chicken in here. You can put a hamburger patty in here. It will cook it. It'll air fry it. You can roast, you can grill, you can fry, and you can bake with this. More fried food without all the guilt of all that oil that's going straight into your arteries. So anyway, folks, this is great because I never use any oil. I mean, you can pour some oil onto your products just to give them that oil flavor and taste. But I do it without oil, and it makes me feel like I'm living a much healthier life. So hundreds of recipes, a great community at Cosori, and just, you know, all time. This is one of the big popular brands now. Everybody seems to love Cosori. You can put a whole chicken in here. You can adjust temperature from 170 to 400 degrees. Time range from 1 to 60 minutes. There's a keep warm function, a preheat function, customizable presets, a shake reminder, tells you to shake your fries or whatever you're working on, and the rapid heat circulation. So it circulates all around and cooks all sides. Your regular oven, your convection oven isn't doing it that good. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. This is the Cosori Air Fryer. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and put this in ya. Just get it. Just go get it. 5.8 quart. That 5.8 quart is going to be great, and you're getting 85% less fat than traditional fried foods. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.